Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So, hair fall or hair loss. Now my struggle with this problem has been there for years. I've had it during endometriosis, I've had it throughout endometriosis, I've had it before pregnancy, I'm having it during pregnancy, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have it even after pregnancy, which is my postpartum period. Now, when we think of hair fall, we always think of it as a very general topic, but different people go through different patterns of hair loss. There's receding hairline, there's bald spots, there's thinning of hair, and if there is one product that can battle all of these problems, it would be really great. Also, I think over the past few months, I've really been on the hunt of finding one product that will battle all these problems. I also want to go back to how my hair used to be before I started having hormonal issues, and I also want to make sure that this product will be able to combat my postpartum hair fall and prevent it from happening. And that's when I came across Dabur Vatika's Neelibhringa21 Hair Growth Oil. Now honestly, I've been using this oil for more than 3 weeks and I can see tremendous reduction in my hair loss. This oil is clinically proven to reduce your hair fall within 2 months, and we all know how important your hair is when it comes to grooming, and I especially love having really thick and luscious hair, and I want to go back to how my hair used to be before I started having hormonal issues, and I also want to maintain this hair even after pregnancy. So I'm planning on continuing to use this because I'm sure this will really avoid the postpartum hair fall for me. So if you want to know more about this product and everything that it does, then please keep watching. I'm also going to give you guys a demo. So the Dabur Vatika Neelibhringa21 Hair Oil is Ayurvedic medicine oil clinically tested to reduce hair fall and grow new hair in just 2 months. It is a unique blend of Bhringraj, Neeli, Draksha, Yashti Madhu and 9 other herbs known in Ayurveda Grantha Shahastra Yoga to improve the quality of hair and prevent hair fall. Now this oil is made by using an ancient Ayurvedic method of Tailapak Vidhi. Tailapak Vidhi is an ancient Ayurvedic tradition where the oil is boiled for 21 hours along with 14 powerful herbs like Neeli, Bhringraj, Draksha and Yashti Madhu. These herbs are picked, cleaned and made into a paste. The paste is heated to create a potent decoction. The decoction is then mixed with coconut oil and herbs. It is cooked until the desired consistency and aroma are obtained and then filtered to begin working its magic on your scalp. The oil is clinically proven to grow new hair in 2 months. The packaging is extremely user-friendly and very easy to use. As you can see, the oil comes with an easy-to-use, ergonomically designed scalp applicator, which makes it easy to use. The applicator helps in the targeted application of the oil to the roots, which nourishes the hair follicles and gives better results. It directly deposits the hair on your scalp, so you don't have to put in a lot of effort. And once I've applied this all over my scalp, I just like using my fingers and massaging it into my hair. For best results, oil your hair 3 times a week for 8 weeks, and also don't miss out the giveaway that is there at the end of the video. So make sure to watch the entire video to just know about the giveaway. Once I've applied the oil all over my head, I like to massage my scalp for 5 to 8 minutes, and then I just like putting up my hair in a bun and leaving it until I wash my hair. This oil also provides us with 21 clinically tested benefits like improvement in hair thickness, reduction in dandruff, improvement in the hair roots strength, reduction in hair thinning, nourishment of hair, and also repairs hair damages. So that's it for the video guys. I strongly recommend this product. It is totally worth it. You will definitely see a difference. I've already recommended this to a lot of my friends, and give it a try and you will definitely see how well this transforms your hair. I will leave the links to this product in the description box. You can check it out, and also not to forget, the first 10 people to comment on my video will receive this product, and that is a small giveaway from my side. And I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.